So hello everyone. Today we have a job update from Zoho and they are hiring for user experience design. And the job location is Chennai. So we will be seeing about the experience that is required, key responsibilities and requirements for this role. And I will also show you how to fill the registration. So let's proceed into this video. So this is the career page of Zoho and they are hiring for user experience designer and the job location is Chennai and the desired experience required for this role is 0 to 3 years. So freshers can apply for this. And then here is the key responsibilities of this role. Here you will collaborate to gather the requirements, understand the domain and turn the insights into effective wireframes. Then you will analyze the user behavior and feedback to enhance the experience. Then you will ensure the usability, accessibility, and brand consistency. Then you should manage the multiple projects while adapting to shifting priorities. And you should communicate about the design clearly to your teams and stakeholders. And here is the requirement. You need to have like 0 to 3 years of UX design experience and you should have a portfolio. Then you should have proficiency in Figma, Adobe XD, or similar tools. Then you should have a strong problem solving, analytical, and communication skill. Then you should have your bachelor's degree in design, HCI, or related field or equivalent experience. And if you are passionate about design, eager to learn, and enjoy working with others, they would love to see you. Then this is only dedicated purely for UX design, so they encourage only application from that candidates and relevant skill portfolios. So you can apply if you know about UX and if you know about Figma, Adobe XD and everything. Before applying for this role, just change your resume where you need to add the Figma keyword, Adobe XD keyword, and if you have done the bachelor's in design, you should mention it. And if you have experience, we added at one. And here is the registration form. You need to fill your name, mobile number, email, year of graduation, then gender, current location, preferred location, qualification, work experience. So if you are a fresher, you will pick fresher here, and in current employer, you will enter not available. Then in the current CTC, you will enter not applicable except expected CTC is also not applicable. Notice period is also not applicable. You will put your portfolio link here, like you will put your Behance or any portfolio link here. Then you need to choose your skill sets like UX design, illustrator, anything like wireframing, website designing, landing pages, anything you know. Then work experience summary. Even if you have done any internships in this, you can mention that work experience here and what interest you about this role, LinkedIn profile URL, and how did you apply for this requirement. So you can just enter as Instagram or YouTube or anything. Then you need to choose your resume here. You need to browse your resume and attach it here and then click on submit. So I will tell you this is a very good opportunity where you will learn about designing for products. So Zoho is hiring, so they will mostly work on their products. So this is a very good opportunity. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe and share it to your friends. And I will meet you in the next video. Until then, take care and bye.